Hello, Forex for Beginners family. I want to take this opportunity to thank Mr. Sarah Lead. He's a wonderful person. Before I came to discover him through a Google search on internet, over the internet, I had gone through a lot of difficulties. I paid a lot of courses, and what most people were interested in was for you to bring in more members. But that's not the case with Mr. Said Ali, because with him everything is 100% free. From the beginning, I thought maybe he was going to like ask for you to pay along the way before you get access into some classes, but I'm so shocked. Everything has been free, and I've been able to learn so much. I feel so confident now. I'm able to. He has basically been there with me for over 28 days. I covered almost 20 lessons from Fibonacci retracement, market structure, parallel channels, determining how to be an entry king, how to place 15 to 20 pip stop losses, how to be able to identify the market pattern, candle patterns such as the double top, shoulders, head and shoulders, inverted heads and shoulders, three pin. So it's a lot. We've learned quite a lot, and I will request everyone to seize this opportunity, because I don't think with the content, very rich content, this is going to maybe remain like this forever. So anyone who is listening to me now, I will request you come on board, because before it becomes too late. Thank you so much, Mr. Sarah Lead. I don't know how I can thank you, because I paid almost $1,000, but I learned nothing. Even the Fibonacci retracement you play with in class, it's before, to me, it was like magic. I even went to YouTube to learn how to draw Fibonacci retracement, but I couldn't. But in your classes, wow, so great. And the fact that you're there to help us mark up our charts, tell us what we are doing okay, what we are not doing okay, is so massive. I want to thank you so much, Mr. Saad Ali. May God bless you.